welcome back. Today I'm going to tell about how to create a pie chart using Python in libraries matplotlib. So here I have created this file, this Python file, and I'm going to share this Python file at the end of this video in my description. If you really want to download this file, you can just go to my GitHub account and download this Python file. Alright, cool. Here I'm going to use two libraries. One is Pandas and another one is your matplotlib. Here, first I have import a CSV file which is iris dataset and saved in my local drive, and here in the first coding I'm importing that file, and now here I put data.head. Here it can going to show you the first five row of the dataset. So this is how my dataset is looking like, right? This is the iris dataset, if you guys already know about it. This is how it looks like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a pie chart on this first column, which is sepal length cm. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm creating a variable called sepal length, and here I'm taking the first column, which is this one. Alright, and now I'm going to import matplotlib libraries as matplotlib pyplot as plt, and then I'm just putting this into a pie chart. So this is how the pie chart it looks like. Alright guys, hopefully this video help you guys to create a pie chart in Pandas data frame. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.